To add these two numbers, we're going to need to use long addition. So the first thing we need to do is line them up vertically. So now we have one number on top of the other with ones lined up and tens lined up. So now we're ready to add in the ones column where we have 5 plus 8. But 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. And 13 is too big to go in the ones column beneath the ones digits. So that means we're going to have to put the ones digit in 13, the 3, in the ones column, and then we'll carry the digit in the tens place, which is the 1. So we'll put that above the 7. So now we need to add the digits in the tens column. And there we have 1 plus 7, which we know equals 8, and then we're going to have 8 plus 1, which equals 9. So that gives us an answer of 93.